Babe, it's the video you've been waiting for. It is your sneak peek to the fall 2022 catalog. Make sure you subscribe. Check out this fall playlist. I'm going to look up below and down below so you can check out all the goods, so you can shop the catalog and get ready. And the best part is, if you love it and everything, come in, join the fun, become a consultant. I'd be honored to show you the way. So let's get to all the fun. New fall product like you guys want. Here is your little smaller than normal, or the regular size baggage. ASMR. Definitely plastic feel, very sturdy, TSA approved. This has the 4 wheels, right? Check it out, turn it, strap it around. What's on the side? You got a sturdy handle. On the top, you got your lock right here, okay? What's unique about this is that it opens on the inside here because you can totally personalize it. Boom. You got your little compartments right here. You can put your goodies right there. Oh, it separates right here too. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Always confronted. Compartmentalized. Here's all the fun stuff. It's just basically one big pocket right there. And it looks like you can zip this up. How does this work? You can zip this up somehow. Oh, right here? No. Yes. This zips up right here on the back end. No. Strap right here. There we go. There we go. Now that closes. Then this closes. But I'm wondering, where is this?
It's for extra storage.
Oh, it goes like this. It zips up. It zips right here. So that
Exactly.
there's a ton of zippers to this. It zips up so that I guess you could just pull it out.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's for storage. I mean,
Gotcha.
extra.
Access.
Yes.
But in the end, if you zip this, the gray one is the big master one. Boom. Okay, to be honest, first honest review, zippers did make it a little confusing, but after you play with it, I'm sure it'll be just fine. I'm not too sure what this is. Oh my gosh.
Charger.
Are you kidding me?
Yep.
What is that? Okay. So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget Bag Babe TV every Saturday, and if you want more, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big like and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.